How to see who logged into your Facebook account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To see who logged into your Facebook account, you can open up your Facebook application in your device. Make sure to log into your account. Then tap on the three horizontal line in your top right corner. Select on the setting gear option. At the top, you will see Meta Account Center. Tap on it. From here, under Account Settings, head over to Password and Security. Under Security Checks, head over to where you are logged in. Here, it will notify you all of the possible logged in that your Facebook account was logged into. If you find some of the suspicious device, you can tap on Select Devices to log out. From here, you can just tap on the device and click on the logout option. By this way, not just you can check for the account or the location you were logged into, but you can also log out through such suspicious login. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.